Okay, how to filter in Gigasheet really quickly. You can do this from the column, from the cell, or from the filter chiclet. I'm going to show you all three really quickly. So let's scroll over and let's find something that makes a little sense. Maybe say job level. Filtering from the column is as easily as clicking at the top of the column. You'll see all of the options, all of the values available within, in this case, the job level field. I'm going to just choose C team, director, VP, and press apply. You see that when we do that, I'm down from 152 million to about 17.9 million. That's how much we have filtered this result set already. So down to 17.9 million rows. What we can now do is maybe we only want people with a cell phone. I can right mouse click on any one of these cells. If I wanted to filter to it, I could, but in this case, I'm going to filter to exclude this. So filtering to exclude this essentially means that the cell phone category is empty. And this is an AND search here. So now we're down to 5 million rows. You'll see that we're actually building a filter statement here. And if I click on the yellow chiclet on top, you see it's where job level equals what I chose. Cell phone is not empty. I can continue doing this and I can say maybe the About Us, the LinkedIn About Us, contains solar panels. And pressing apply, I am down to 1,163 rows. These are the rows I care about. I'm looking for specifically people on the C team or directors. They do have a cell phone and their LinkedIn About Us contains the words solar panels. This is how you filter in Gigasheet.